What's this? Seems like a far wasteland. With 1% of the European Union's land area and only 0.25 of its population, Estonia does not stand out with its size, but its statistical position is outstanding indeed. Estonia has room to spare with population density of only 30 people per square kilometer, which is 4 times lower than EU's average. With little human interference, our nature is blooming. More than half of Estonia is covered with forest, 8% points higher than the EU's. A fifth of the land is covered with beautiful bogs that we are proud to preserve. And we value it greatly. 22% of Estonia is under nature conservation, compared to the 18% of the EU. As much as we love our nature, Estonia is internationally known for being a leading figure in digitalization. In 2005, we implemented a system for voting online, and now nearly half of the population are using it. In addition, Estonia ranks first among 107 countries in the National Cybersecurity Index. We thus feel that voting is now safer than ever. Estonia has the second best public Wi-Fi in Europe, and we use the internet more than average EU citizen. We are constantly developing new ideas. In the EU, we rank third in startups per capita, which is 6 times higher than average. For example, in France, it takes a week to start a company. Thanks to online systems, a new firm can be set up only within 15 minutes in Estonia. Our society relies heavily on our education system, which we are proud of. In the PISA test 2015, Estonia achieved the highest average result among European countries. Estonia is only a small part of the European Union, but with our digital solutions, beautiful nature and wonderful people, we are a valuable, innovative and unique member of the Union.